Writing on a piece of paper actually triggers some thoughts in your brain. It makes unique connections in your brain. So this is a ritual for your mind, and journaling is a very good way to feed your mind some positive energy. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 3 rituals your mind needs to be productive. You see, business, entrepreneurship, leadership, it's a very chaotic game. You will be pulled in different directions. People are going to come at you from with many questions, many problems, and in this chaos your mind needs to be calm and quiet and level headed so that it can make the right decisions. So what are these 3 rituals? Ritual number 1: get enough sleep. Yes, you heard me right, sleep. Most people, most entrepreneurs, especially the ambitious ones, they think sleep is something, a waste of a time, and they can go on a 4-hour sleep cycle. But I can tell you, your mind really needs at least 6 hours of sleep average every night. If you don't get enough sleep, your performance during the daytime is going to decline, and actually is going to, the performance degradation is going to start accumulating if you don't have sleep. So please focus on getting enough rest and sleep. Ritual number 2: meditation. Now I know this is a tough one because I have talked to so many business owners, and the typical response I get when I bring up meditation is, we just don't have time, or my mind cannot be at rest, I have too much going on in my mind. And that is the fallacy, because those are the exact problems meditation is actually going to help you solve. Because you will be able to calm your mind, you will be able to find more time in your schedule, and you will be able to look through things which are with a much clearer lens, which means your mind is not going to get confused. It is not going to uh, react to situations. Rather, it will be able to assess the situation quietly, calmly, and come up with the right solution that is the need of the hour. So meditation, at least 5 to 10 minutes a day, is going to really make a big change in your life. So let me give you an example of my schedule. I wake up around 6:30. I go for a morning walk in nature. That gives me fresh air and sort of gives me a good start for the day, calm, quiet start. And then once I'm back from my morning walk, I meditate for 20 minutes. And that's basically just sitting down in a quiet room and closing my eyes and sort of letting go of all the worries, of all the challenges that are sort of roaming around in my head, and just quiet my mind. And the fact is that actually opens up my mind to receive more ideas, fresh epiphanies, fresh insights that I can take and start to implement in my business, in my life. So meditation, that's how I do it, like just 20 minutes a day. Ritual number 3: journaling. So what journaling is you just take a notebook and a pen and write down the events of the day, the problems you face, the high points, the wins that you accomplished. And it's generally recommended that you don't use computer and type it, because writing on a piece of paper actually triggers some thoughts in your brain. It makes unique connections in your brain. So this is a ritual for your mind, and journaling is a very good way to feed your mind some positive energy. And there is a deeper reason behind it, because when you journal for a long period of time, it actually becomes your life history, your life record. And why is that useful? Is because when things are going good, we are all happy, we are all enthusiastic, energetic to face the day. But there comes a day when things are not going well, when we experience disappointment, when we experience really loss of the momentum that we have had. And on those days, you really need to go back and look at your past history. How did you overcome similar challenges in the past? What kind of creativity did you have to pull out of your psyche to solve the problems of the day? And when you read those passages from the past, it gives you extra strength on that day to face the challenges of the day. So journaling is key for you to maintain that momentum and look at your own history, your own performance, your own capabilities that you've had, that you leveraged in the past to solve the problems. And you can always lean back on those strengths and solve the problem for today as well. You see, guys, anything that you want to achieve in life, it's all a mental game, especially entrepreneurship, running a business, running a startup, or leading a large company. It's a mental game, and you really need to feed a lot of positive energy to your mind so that it is up for the challenge of not only leading other people, but realizing your wildest dreams and taking you to the height of success that you deserve.